Yes guys, what's up, what's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. You know, as you can see in the title guys, you already know what the video is about. You know, it's about my new Canon R50 camera. You know, I just purchased it a few days ago and it's like one of the best buys ever, you know, best purchase ever. Picked it up at Best Buys, you know, so I just wanted to give you guys, you know, a better quality, better footage, you know, better videos for the new year. So I decided to make this investment and check it out.
And it's not just sushi being sauce, so it's like a Korean inspired. But it's funny not the way for you.
That look good.
Okay guys, we're about to go into Five Below right now and look around. Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right. So we're inside Five Below. All right, so what you getting? It's 10 pounds?
That's 10 pounds. Why do you look so big?
What you looking at, Kaylee?
I'm looking at these water bottles for my mom.
Oh, okay. Those are nice.
Yeah.
Black Girl Excellence.
Let me get this.
Black and Beauty?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. What else you gonna... So you getting that one?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that, Christmas gift? Or just a gift? Okay. As you can see guys, the quality is A1, A+. You know, I'll definitely recommend this camera. So this is the camera I'll be using moving forward. You know, I'm gonna stop using my iPhone and start using this camera. I'm gonna get this one.
Okay.
And a few of these. Just to have.
First time.
Yeah, I'm putting in my man cave. Oh, the strip lights?
Yeah. But they only got 8 feet and it's 16 feet.
16 feet?
Yeah.
But
20.
you could join two of them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so because 8 to 16.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just join both of them together, attach them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's up, YouTube world?
What's up, YouTube world?
Yeah, man. Keegan's Kitchen, the best kitchen. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So like I was saying, you know, this video, you know, is just to show y'all the quality, you know, the video quality, you know, 4K. Yeah, man. Comparing to the camera that I was using previously, you know, for all my videos. When I first started off my YouTube channel, I was just using a regular Android, you know, crappy camera, and then I upgraded to an iPhone, and now, you know, I'm using this Canon R50 camera, which is like amazing. So I'll see y'all, you know, in future videos. All right, I'm out.